Peanut. So that makes you you're probably Peanut 15. Is it okay? Huh? Well, and we've had peanut butter. Yeah. What would you like to be called? Cry baby? Cry baby, cry baby, cry? Say, you'd cry too if you was dropped at a shelter. Somebody used to love me. I'm not skinny. And say my teeth don't look bad. Just don't know where they went. We can cry? We want to talk. What do you want to talk about? Can we come up with another name? Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you can make it. I know you can jump. You jumped on my bed last night. You did? You did too. Don't tell me you didn't. You jumped on my bed last night. You are a smart girl. Where you going, Peanut? Peanut! Where are you going? You can't walk home, baby. No, you can't find home that way. No. We're sorry they left you. But we're here. Aren't we good enough? Hey, get up here. Peanut. Peanut. What's that? Yeah, it's Taz raised his head up out of the bed there. So he's hearing something. I think Taz raised up at the whistle. He says once was enough. Okay, Peanut, tell us your story. Where did you come from? Now, what kind of a home do you want? Do you like children? Huh? I know you don't mind the dogs. You've been much more afraid of me than the dogs, haven't you? Yes, you have. Got along with them just fine. I'm cute as a button. I'm potty trained. I slept in my crate last night and only fussed just for a couple minutes.